Welcome to our guide on how to change the font style in your Telegram bio on Android. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening the Note app on your Android device. This is where you'll begin crafting your unique text. Next, access your Android keyboard and explore special characters and font styles that catch your eye. Choose the one that resonates with you and type it out. Once you're content with your text, make sure to copy it. Now, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner, then select your profile picture. Navigate to the bio section and find your bio. Paste the copied characters or styles into the bio field. Ensure that your new text is displayed just the way you want it. Finally, save your changes to update your Telegram bio with the fresh font style you've chosen. Your bio is now personalized and stands out with a touch of creativity. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily customize your Telegram bio to reflect your personality and make a statement. Embrace the opportunity to showcase your individuality through your bio font style. Enjoy the process of adding a personal touch to your Telegram profile.